What's the shape?
Trapezoid.
Trapezoid? What's this one? A circle? Let's see. Hold down. Giant pickle! Hold down! Oh! Boom! Awesome sauce? Awesome. What are you doing? Awesome sauce.
Mr. Wilderness is going to have to sell a whole lot of sleeper bags.
Awesome sauce. That's awesome sauce, yeah? Awesome sauce. You gonna leave? Awesome sauce. You still play? Oh, here's this one. I have one? Okay. We gonna play together? Okay. You just spin it? You do it? What? Caden sit on the floor. Caden. Caden. I say Caden. Caden. Caden sit. Caden. You sit. Caden sit. Caden sit. No. Caden play. Caden play.
Go ahead, close those precious eyes. I know the hour is getting late, so rest your head, my little one. For tomorrow just can't wait. Tomorrow you'll grow just a little bit more, and tomorrow you may find out what those little feet are for. But won't you stay, my baby, tonight? Go and dream of things that are gentle and light. Don't you worry, everything will be alright, 'cause Daddy's got you in his arms tonight. Feel your little heartbeat as it melts right into mine. So I pray that through my life that you might see the world through Jesus' eyes. Soon you'll be walking and riding your first bike. the next thing you know, I'll be waving goodbye. But won't you stay, my baby, tonight? Go and dream of things that are gentle and light. Don't you worry, everything will be alright. 'Cause Daddy's got you in his arms tonight. You know that Daddy's got you in his arms tonight. Someday when you're in my shoes, looking down on your own, you might know what I'm going through. You find one of the greatest joys in this life is when your legacy smiles back